What's up guys? So today I'm playing Airsoft game. It's like start with Airsoft and something. So let's do deploy. Okay, I'm in the game. Oh, oh my gosh. She's so fast. Oh, it's kinda hard. Okay, I got one of my enemies in the game. Of course, I do not have any enemies. Oh, oh, how did I not hit him? Bruh. Uh oh. Come on. What? Where was that guy? What? No! I do not even see them. Bruh. No! Oh my gosh. This is going to be hard. I do know how to slide. I just wasted my grenade. Oh no. She's too good. Look at you trying. Ha. No, girl. Bruh. Bruh. I refuse to believe that's a girl, bro. How can she be so good? Hi. No! No. Bruh. I got some zooming problem. It's kinda hard. No! Bruh. Why is she so good? No. I keep wasting my grenade. Double slide. Let's go. I'm in the red team. I wasted my grenade. No! Where even was he? Oh my god. Oh my. Bro! They are so good. But I just joined in. That's why my team is a little low. No. Okay. I was too exposed. Hey. No. No, girl. What? No. There's a... No! I didn't even see her. Guys. I'm not that noob. Hey, oh, she was right over there. Don't comment I lose by a girl, bro. No girl, no girl, no! No! Bruh. How? What? No girl, no girl, bro! Bruh. Oh, I'm getting noober, bro. I don't want to be noob. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Girly attack, Okay, I think I should stop. No, 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 no. Okay, I lost this round because I joined in the middle of the game. So my team lost. My team lost, guys. Okay. Okay, now in the next map, that was my sister, guys. If you heard her, you know. Being a gamer and a kid is hard because you have family. And I have to go to school, so it's kinda hard to be a gamer, but I will not give up. Oh, shit. No, no. Until, well, there's no one over here. There usually are this place is the most populated place in the map though. I don't know what happened, nobody is over there. Where are they fighting at now? Whoa, 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 whoa. No. No slide. What? Where are they? Sneak attack. Sneak attack. Sneak attack. Huh. No. I know he's going to sneak attack too. Oh, you see? I know. Cause he found my idea and it was good, so he tried to sneak attack. Where are they? No. No. Ha 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 ha. No, 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 no. No. I should probably move. No! No! You see, guys? My team is blue. And look how high it is from red. We gonna win, bro. We're going to win. No! Bruh. Hey. What was he doing over there? No. No. Oh, I'm throwing grenade. No, no, grenade. Yes, no, I missed it. Whoa. No, why is it invisible? Oh, oh. My brother. He was right over there. Okay, they're coming. They're coming. No! No! She's... Sanguna. Okay. No! He was right behind me. Like, he jump scared me. Bro. Oh. Okay. Uh-huh. Okay. No! No! No, take this. Take this, take this. I'm going to throw. No! I saw him, but I didn't react at time. No, no, son. No, I'm too pro. Uh-oh, bruh. I saw one of the trap. I'm in trap. I see somebody over. I saw someone over there. What are they doing? See, look at him. Look at him. Trying to mess around with me. No. How do you see me? I didn't see him. No. I'm too pro. Bruh. What's the problem? Let me finish my word, bro. Okay. I was going to say I'm too pro, but he killed me. No! I do know they're coming from here. Oh, maybe not. Maybe they're... No. I got him. No. I got two of them. My team is going to win. Easy win, bro. I don't see him, but let's sneak attack. Let's attack from there. We win. Win. What's up? Huh? What's up? What you gonna do? We win. I won, bro. They're losers. Let's go with this one. Free over. Okay. Oh, guys, in this game we don't have any wins. We don't have any team. We have to kill all of the people. Uh-oh. I don't got no teammate. I'm all alone. Bruh. Where you go? What? No! I don't know what to do. Bro, this is the first time I ever got into the map. This is the first time. Oh. Being smart? I'm over smart. Oh my gosh, bruh. No, go away. No. No. You think I didn't see? Bruh. No, I wasted my grenade for absolute no reasons. Hi. What you, bro? I'm so stupid. God, just climb on. Oh, but I mean, son, I got you. No escape, son. What are you doing? I see you. How to climb on the no? How to go over there? How you get over there? How you go? Let's climb over here. Hello? Hello? He's not moving. Uh-oh. No. This map, I think I'm going to lose. Bruh. I didn't even spawn. It just killed me. No, no. What? Hi. Bruh. I keep wasting my grenade. Okay. This place is not destroyed. I keep zooming in. Oh. No! He got me. Hi. Oh no. Where are you? Where are you? There's no escape from me. No! Come on, I didn't see him. Guys, let's act like I didn't see him. Free for all, lose. Bro, am I the captain of that game? Bro, I do not want free for all. This thing is also good. Okay. The main fighting place of this game, this place is over here. So a lot of people come over here to fight. There is a hack. Now I'm stuck and you can't see me. Nobody's here, mate. No! I was too distracted. Did he got all of those players? Okay. Sorry for them. Throwing a grenade. the hell are they? No! I wonder why is there so quiet? Like it was so all of a sudden so quiet. I need I need to play something like drrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrr Uh-oh. Hey, no, no. Take this. Hope you enjoy the grenade. No, 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 no. Okay. No, he got me. Enjoy the grenade. No. No, bruh, I didn't see him. Whoa. Uh-oh. Ha. What's that noise? Bruh. Okay, he's over there. I see him. No, no, no. Hi. He's dead. Okay. I can't fully lay down. I wish I could. Oh, there's some people inside. Bruh. Oh, clever trick. But you know what's even clever? Sneak attack. I'm behind attack, whatever you call it. Oh no, oh no. Hi, oh. He done the job. No, 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 bro. No. There's some people inside. No, 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 no. No. Bruh. Let me just throw a grenade, hope you. Okay, wow. Wow. Got killed in like just a second. Hey. Do you want a grenade? Or maybe not. Okay, bye. Enjoy. Okay. Just enjoy the free grenade. I'm gonna go behind and oh, did I win? No, we lost. You, you, you ugly thing. This, please, please, please. No, no. That place is worse. I don't like that place. Bruh. This map is so big. Oh no, oh no, oh no. I like teamwork. It's more better. Oh, it is teamwork. Oh, it is teamwork, okay? That's good. No, 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 no! Bruh. No, 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 no. No! They're attacking me from the behind. Bruh. No, I thought that thing was a player. Bruh, I can't climb that. No! Hi. What was he thinking? Look behind and check. Like, wait, what? Wait, what? Oh, oh. See, look behind and check. There's a monkey roaming around in the map. That's why you should check. Where's that monkey? I saw him over here somewhere. Bro! Let's climb over here and look at the map. So big. Oh, I just randomly fired and kaboom. Perfect shot. Oh. What? Oh, I see you. Why was he going so slow? He thought he's sneaky. I saw him from like a quarter's face. Cause he big forehead. Coming from here. No, 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 no. Okay. No. What I... Why are they crouching? To make no noise? I still... Stop! No! Let's crouch and use their way. Look, bro! Bro! Was he an idiot? No. Can't see them. Haha. What's over here? Nothing and no one. Did he just disappear? Oh, I see. Okay, he's going to do the job. Yeah, he did the job. Oh, oh, oh. Bruh. How are they so quick? This round we're going to lose. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay, I got him. Let's keep on shooting. Cause there must... Nah. No, 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 no. No. No! Where are they? Let's... Oh, I throw the grenade. I got absolute no one. Is anybody playing? There's no gunshot. No, nothing. They're so quiet. Oh, they're so sneaky. Ah, where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Bro, why is this way blocked? Run for your life, bro. That's that's why I said run for your life. Wait. Hi, mate. Bro. How is it so fast? Like, look behind. Do. So fast. Okay, I lost. Okay, guys. That's it for today's video. Hope you enjoy. And bye-bye. Hope you subscribe. Please subscribe.